Hello everyone, this is Fan from Awesome Tech Gaming Pro. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to talk about the two TV, the Sony Bravia X85J and the Sony Bravia X80J. Those are 2021 model, and on 2023 those two TV is very cheap. So you can buy this two TV on cheap price. The X85J is a 4K 120 Hz panel and X80J is a 4K 60 Hz panel. You clearly see the difference between the 4K 120 Hz and 4K 60 Hz. One key component of a TV's picture prowess is its image processing. In this instance, both the X80J and X85J are powered by Sony's X1 4K HDR chip, which uses an algorithm that works behind the scenes to cut noise and boost detail. Pixels across multiple frames are analyzed and sharpened in real time with the aim of making scenes clearer, smoother, and more natural, finding the best hue, saturation, and brightness for each pixel. Combined with Sony's Triluminous Pro Tech, which shows a wide range of colors to ensure differentiation between subtler shades, things are clearly even on the processing front. But it's the different panels used for the actual screens themselves that will differentiate the two models. The Sony X80J has an ADS panel, a modified IPS panel, while the X85J features VA panel. The upshot of this is that the X85J has superior contrast and as a result a better punchier, more enjoyable image. However, while the X80J's picture is therefore flatter when it comes to the contrast between bright areas and dark areas, its panel type benefits from wider viewing angles, which means the picture stays true if you are not directly in front of it. And you know, the X85J, which is VA panel always have more contrast, deep contrast, but on IPS panel you can get wide viewing angle, which VA panel does not that type of viewing angle. It's average, I will say, but IPS panel viewing angle is so much better, but its contrast is so low, IPS or ADS panel. For most people who will be sitting directly in front of their TV, the X85J obviously has the upper hand, as it will have a better overall picture with greater depth and quality. If your layout means that some people will be watching from an angle though, then the X80J's panel makes the most sense, as it will save side viewers from an unpleasant, distracting viewing experience. The Sony X80J and the X85J use different panel technologies, each with strengths and weaknesses. The X85J is better for a dark room as it has much better contrast and better black uniformity. The X80J is better for wide sitting area as it has better viewing angles. So you clearly see the 120 Hz and 60 Hz difference, as you are aware of what 60 Hz and 120 Hz mean. Now you know that a 120 Hz panel is going to be much smoother to look at. All the animations you see on the screen will be played at 120 frames per second, meaning they all will be silky smooth. Furthermore, if you play games or watch high FPS 120 plus videos, or 120 Hz TV will be able to support them just fine. On the other hand, if you get a 60 Hz TV, you will only see 60 frames per second in videos, games, and animations. Hence, getting a 4K 120 Hz TV means you can consume smoother content without a problem. The other company like TCL is one of the biggest names in the 4K TV industry. When you are in the market looking for the best 4K 120 Hz TV, you can find TCL is the way to go. If you see its sound quality, neither model benefits from the acoustic multi-audio sound found in more expensive Sony TV sets like the X90J. Instead, both the X80J and X85J feature Sony's X-balanced speaker setup, which claims to offer high sound quality and powerful pressure for a richer and more rewarding listening experience. Marketing buzzwords aside, the speaker in both TVs offer solid frequency response with clear dialogue and get comfortably loud as expected though. You can't fake a dedicated sub, so the bass is low and will be too weak for any serious movie lovers. As usual for TVs in this price range, I recommend gift up with one of the best soundbars or best surround sound systems. On the input front, they both have 4 HDMI ports, but on the X85J, 2 of the 4 are HDMI 2.1 ports, while the X80J lacks any HDMI 2.1 support. This is a huge deal if you are planning to use next-gen console like the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, as you can only unlock their true 420Hz potential by HDMI 2.1. This means that the X80J is limited to 4K 60Hz, though its panel doesn't support 120Hz regardless. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but if you are chasing the ultimate TV console experience, it's absolutely worth considering because you are future proofing yourself if you go for the X85J. On the smart TV software side of things, both models are powered by Google TV, which is a noticeable upgrade over the previous Android TV interface used in past Sony sets. It features a sleeker home screen with multi-source content suggestions, along with Google Assistant for quick and easy navigation. The Sony X80J and X85J are two solid mid-range TVs that look practically identical in the flesh. Here a little closer though, and you begin to see why the X85J is more expensive. Its superior panel technology means it provides a punchier viewing experience thanks to its increased contrast. Its 120 Hz refresh rate is better than the 60 Hz found in the X85J2, which coupled with its HDMI 2.1 smarts makes it the clear winner when it comes to next-gen gaming. If you are not fast about gaming and have a layout where people will be viewing the screen from the side, then the X80J may be the better buy, however, thanks to its superior viewing angles while saving you some cash in the process. So which TV you will buy, please write in the comments below, the X85J or X80J. If you ask me, I will pick X85J. So that's it from now. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications update. Thanks for watching.
To change up.